Hello everyone, my name is Shekhar. Welcome back to my channel SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing. A secret of success. Friends, today we are going to learn a preposition. It's a three-letter word. Its meaning is for every, for each. What is it? Guess what? Okay friends, without wasting time, let's get started. Today, the preposition we are going to learn is per, P-E-R. As I said before, its meaning is for every, for each. It's used with units to express rate or cost or amount, number, distance, etc. For example, the doctor charges 500 rupees per patient. Here we have used preposition per to express cost or rate. Similarly, one more example. The hotel room costs 2,500 rupees per person per night. Here also we have used preposition to express cost. Some more examples. My car goes or my car can go 150 kilometers per hour. Here we have used preposition per to express distance. And one more example. My car does 15 kilometers per liter. And the tickets cost 120 rupees per person. The blade spin at 100 rotations per minute. And one more example. The park attracts 5 million people per year. Friends, one more thing regarding per. As per something, it's an idiom. As per something. For example, the work is being carried out as per instructions. And one more example, all the details are verified as per office records. Friends, I think you have understood how to use per in our daily life. Thank you so much friends. Let's meet again with a new topic. Thanks a lot. Bye.